I was turned off because I had some bad experiences with the religion. My father-in-law belonged to a very expensive Jewish center in Brooklyn, and I used to go with him for the Jewish holidays, and I used to belong to that temple as well. And during the services, they used to stop and they used to call out names of what each one wants to give to the temple. Like he would call out Mr. Gottlieb, and Gottlieb would stand up and say, I give $5,000. And Mr. Schwartz, he would stand up and say, I give $1,000. And this would go on, and then they would call Mr. Klein, which was me, and I would say, I give Chai, but I was, kind of embarrassed. And I said, what do I need this for? And I left.